Hello everyone, this is Daniel from Better Investing Academy. So finally, I have the time to record, and review these Palantir's earnings with you guys. So Palantir has just released their Q3 2024 results, and I believe a lot of you are very happy. The share price has went up a lot. But there are a lot of things that I want you guys to learn on what happened to their this quarter, and some of the things that you need to be more careful right now for this stock here. So this video here will be a little bit long, but I assure you guys there will be a lot of value, a lot of information for you guys. So let's get started. Now, so as usual, in my video, I'll be breaking down here a few of the topics. So this is the one that you will be getting in this video. So let's go to the company news. Now, as usual, when they release here, the results immediately spike up from 40 plus now to up to close to 60. So it has been a 44% profit, which is really remarkable. If you have been invested it since year to date, earlier January, it's a 260% return. So I just want to share with you guys, that Better Investing Academy has our own community. We have been guiding, we've been coaching our members to investing, and we are very, very proud that a lot of them have achieved remarkable results also. And because of Palantir also, because we have been talking about it for the past 2 years. All right, so you can see one of them achieved a remarkable 82% return year to date. All right, and then another one of them for the past 2 years, they share this information with us that for the past 2 years, all right, since 2023 January, his portfolio here managed to grow 233%. So I'm really very happy for our community members for the remarkable results that they achieved. All right, so let's go to the financial results currently right now. So let me summarize everything for you guys. So Palantir's revenue grew 30% year over year, has been an acceleration. The most notable thing, of course, is from their government revenue. Apparently this time government revenue grew faster than their commercial revenue. But if you break it down on the commercial side, their US commercial revenue is the one that's really performing very well. Growing at 54% year over year, and their government revenue also accelerated to 40%. But the most remarkable thing, that gives me this confidence on this company is their customer count, because their customer count is still able to grow at a high 77%, right? From the US side, of course. But if you take it in a total customer, they're able to grow at 39%. So I have no complaints, for their this quarter results. So let's go through, quickly, on their overall financials. I've been following Palantir for so long already, since I think 2.5 years or 2 years ago. All right, and I've been putting their data financials. So let me share with you my own personal information with you guys. So you can see their total revenue here grow at 30%. It has been an acceleration from 13, 17, 20, 21, 27 to 30. It's been acceleration. So that's why you can see the market's been so confident with this company, and their share price flew up. So this is total revenue. I have no complaints with it. Per share value continue to go up high. I have no complaints with that. They never destroy shareholder value. Net income, there's always been very profitable currently. That's why they are now in the S&P 500. Let's go to the next one. Cash flow, amazing. Latest quarter, you can see their cash flow is their all-time high. And one thing to take note now, you must understand their free cash flow. The dark green is the cash from operation. They have very, very thin capex. After minus everything, can you see it's around the same as their operating cash flow. So their free cash flow is roughly the same as their operating cash flow. So remarkable and very lean company. Balance sheet, no complaints. Assets is way higher than the liability, total liabilities. Currently this red color one, you can see 5.67 times of their current ratio. Cash ratio is at 4.84 times. So solid balance sheet, very, very safe company. Gross profit margin maintain a respectable 80% all this while. And their net income has always been increasing every single quarter. And this is the why do you think that their net income percentage keep on going up? It's because of this next slide here. Can you see that? It's because of their operating leverage. Operating leverage means that they get to maintain with the same operating expenses, but with the same asset and resources, they're able to grow their revenue, operating income, and net income at the same time. So this is what we call operating leverage. So total customers, yes, previously was as acceleration because they were using the ES strategy. Right now they have AIP bootcamp, and it has a very, very powerful go-to market strategy. And you can see the amount of customers they are growing here: 35%, 42, 41, 39. The customers growing very, very fast. US commercial customers are the ones that we should take note right now, because they are focusing a lot on the US customer. I'm very happy that they are continue to grow at an accelerating rate. Now, perhaps some of you could be concerned, last quarter, grow 83%. Now 77%. Is there a slowdown? Actually, no. All right, because you should think this way, because they are now handling a much bigger base already. When the company has a much bigger base, it will be a little bit harder to maintain the same growth rate, because you can see here, 77% here, quarter three is being compared, okay, to a last time very high, okay, quarter three 2023. All right, so that's why the growth rate seems dropped already. But you must understand, they have been getting 140 customers this quarter as compared to their previous quarter, which is only 134. So it's still a very respectable effort, okay, from Palantir. All right, revenue per top 20 customers went up 60 million. That means the customers have been continuing to pay them very, very high, every single quarter. Yeah. Okay, total net dollar retention continue to increase. Yeah, I have no complaints for that. Okay, so that means that the customer are paying more and more. There's more upsells. They are willing to pay more, every single quarter. Yeah, and of course, lastly, the big issue for Palantir last time is their share-based compensation, right? So share-based compensation is on the right track. It is still high, but it's on the right track because they have been going down already every single quarter. So I have no issues with it. Okay, considering the results they have been generating so far, the share-based compensation is really justified. Yeah. Okay, so let's move on to the slides here. So this is the key financial results. Next thing is the earnings call. Now, let me tell you this, for this video here, the earnings call mostly is the bread and butter, of this session. But my next topic will be the bread and butter, because this earnings call here will be rather short because everything is so good. Okay, there's really nothing much, to talk about. Okay? Everything's going very well. It's like what Alex Cup here said, given how strong our results are, I almost feel like we should just go home. This is exactly what I feel. Yeah. So my investment thesis for this quarter here is, they really delivered their best quarter. AIP Bootcamp as their go-to market strategy works very well. They have been delivering results. Okay, and then I would say Palantir right now is really a beneficiary of the AI software trend. Okay, so first thing we can dig out from the earnings call here is, all right, Palantir is giving results to their customers. Okay, why this is very important to us as a shareholder? Because for every company that you invest, you must make sure that the products they make give results. And when there is results, customers are willing to pay. Okay, and when we know they have results, that means there will be real demand. Okay, it's something that what the market wants. So we are assured of a revenue growth in the future. Okay, so there's a lot of results you can see here that they have been sharing with us, including these slides here. Okay, so it's pretty remarkable, with all the things that they have done. Yeah. So number two here is their sales cycle. Now, previously, I was very worried on how are they going to grow their business because of their AES strategy, which take very long. One customer they need to convert, need to take 9 months to 1 year. And each customer that they send one forward deployed engineer to one customer and then close one at a time, which is really not scalable. Finally, they pivot, to how to say, having this go-to strategy, having an event called the bootcamp. Okay, and then they also launched AIP software, and this literally launched their business. And that is why you can see why the share price went up. So their sales cycle right now is remarkable. Previously, 9 months to 1 year, close one customer one at a time. Now they open an event. They can get a lot of customers at the same time, and then they convert them together. And their sales cycle, you can see, the most important thing is the time. You see, for the first customer over here, they are able to convert within just 50 days from the bootcamp into a 7-figure deal. Second customer here, right, convert within just 3 months, and they just pay them a 7-figure deal contract. Yeah. The third customer here, 2 months only, and they are already to sign a 7-figure deal. So it shows me for many, many quarters already. I've been following them for literally for 4 quarters, and ever since the AIP launch. It's already proven to me this quarter that AIP, the software, and the bootcamp works positively. So I have no worries, or concerns already on how their capabilities of converting customers. All right. Then AI demand is definitely growing. And that is why Palantir is raising guidance. Yeah, you can see in the earnings call, we aren't just bouncing, we are excelling, we are raising guidance. There's been incredible amount of demand there, and there's an increase in AI demand. Yeah, so you can see the earnings call was really very positive. Okay, the management are very, very excited. Yeah. So Alex Cup also say, we absolutely eviscerated this quarter, driven by unrelenting AI demand that won't slow down. Yeah. So rest assured, Palantir is now in the right wave. Okay, they are riding on this very fast growing trend, which is the AI trend. Yeah. So I have no issue on their future. Okay, so and that's why the guidance here very, very good. Currently, right now in the next quarter, the management gave us a 26.5% revenue growth for the next quarter. Okay, if compared for the full year 2024, they told us they are able to grow at 26%. But I think as usual, management they like to send back their guidance, which means they lower the expectation. Okay, under promise, over deliver. So at least with these numbers here, we can rest assured Palantir at least right now can grow at 26%. Yeah, but on the high side, okay, on the higher side, okay, let's hope they can continue to grow at 30%. Okay, so let's monitor them continuously. Yeah, so other information. Now, this is the bread and butter of this video here, and I want you guys to please pay attention. Okay, so let's get started. Now, first thing I want you guys to know is Palantir, their current issue right now is their super high valuation. Okay, I believe all of you know this already. Yeah, the valuation is super high. The multiple currently right now is at 55 times price to sales. It's a really very high number. Okay, and some of you maybe ask, hey, can I continue to buy, but the price continue to go up? Now, let me just share this information with you and you see how to interpret. Now, you see this chart here. This is the volume bar. The volume bar on each price, how many volumes or activities buying and selling. So previously, yes, when it was at, $7, $8, the volume was a lot. That means a lot of people actually buying at the time. Then when it reach around 15, 16, that's when they can see the business starts to get better. And that's when you can see the volume here is very, very high. Now, then take note, this is when the Palantir stock flew up already. But then again, can you see at this price here, at around 60, 55 to 60, can you see just how thin this volume here right now? It's literally like very minimal volume. Okay, now I'm not saying that the price will drop or whatever, but we should be on a more cautionary side already currently. Okay, and I don't want you guys to be the exit liquidity, okay, of the other investors. All right. So if you have been investing last time and you profited a lot, okay, congratulations with you guys. Just be grateful with the profits that you have. Okay. Now, so first thing, okay, Palantir currently right now has a super high valuation, and please be careful if you go around social media, YouTube, or even Twitter, or even now known as X, right? Investors currently are justifying Palantir's stock price already, okay? And they are so optimistic. It's like nothing could go wrong with this company, and then they were saying about their potential, AI is so big market right now, and they are literally justifying. And this is the part where we should be more and more careful already, because people are now starting to get greedy. So the market now are more risk tolerant. Okay, because last time, okay, when the market was crashed in 2022, market was risk averse. They were literally avoiding any risk at all. They were so careful, so fearful. Right now, the market are now like, it's like there's no risk. Okay, they ignore it, like ignore valuation because the sky is the limit right now, it's the price. So it's like now the market is currently fear of missing out more profits. No longer fear of making losses already. It was a very different sentiment when it was at 2022. Yeah. So I just want you guys to take note on this. Okay. Yes, I'm very happy with Palantir, but currently this valuation here, I am, really quite uncomfortable. Yeah. Okay. So what we can do here is this. Now, I'm not talking about Palantir. Okay, I'm talking also in general right now in every stocks that you face here. Okay, I'm not talking about investing strategy right now. If you have seen a stock, that really, okay, the valuations really went ahead of their fundamental, despite whatever they say the potential is there and stuff, right? Okay, I don't believe in overpaying for something. All right. I always believe in investing, okay, for the long term, okay, to be able to continue to invest year after year. All right. So for any stocks, okay, that is very, very expensive, really overvalued, all right, I do encourage investors to take some profits, okay, and then when you take that profit, reallocate to undervalued stocks. That's even more important, okay, because you can see, yes, you do not need to have that one very expensive stock to make money. You can still grow that money at another stock which is undervalued and performing, okay, because that profit, all right, will still come to you in the future. Maybe the stock that you sell, then it continue to go up. You feel that you miss out. Actually, you're not, because that money you have already reallocated it, okay, because you're doing risk management on your portfolio. And that profit will come to you. It's just that it will come in the future. All right. So by doing this kind of strategy here, right, do remember, is you are now doing risk management. Is that right now, okay, your chances of making money in a very expensive stock, Okay, now you are like reallocating it to another stock that is undervalued and performing. So you are giving yourself a chance, much higher chance of making money, and the chances of this is in your favor. All right. So I'm not saying, for example, Palantir is a very bad stock. You should sell it and stuff. No, I'm still supporting Palantir. I really love this company. But what I'm doing is risk management and I'm doing portfolio strategy here. All right. So do remember, okay, what Warren Buffett said, investors making purchases in an overheated market really, need to understand that it may often take an extended period, for the value of an even outstanding company to catch up with the price they paid. So it's like now the market is really pricing Palantir so high already. The fundamental is here. So in order to justify this company must really perform, and it may perform for an extended period of time to catch up with this price. Okay, so but the valuation here is very, very high. The optimism is here. The price is actually being supported by market sentiment, not by market fundamentals. So you better make sure that this company perform. If it underperforms at one time, even a little bit, that's when the share price will crash. Okay, so just a cautionary statement with you guys. Yeah. Again, for the investor, a too high purchase price for the stock is an excellent company. Sorry, all right. For the investor, a too high purchase price for the stock of an excellent company can undo the effects of subsequent decade of favorable business developments. In short, if you overpaid for a certain stock, okay, the risk is yours, all right, and it's not in your favor. Okay. So again, what I'm telling you guys here is, don't be so bias on a certain stock. Okay, so don't be so defensive on a certain stock, because at the end of the day, you want to invest and grow your net worth. So I want to urge you guys to be loyal to your portfolio, not to your stocks. Okay, defend your portfolio's net worth, not defending how good your company is. All right. So I do hope this very small strategy sharing here, okay, and able to help you, okay, on how to navigate this current very bullish stock market here. Yeah. So let's go to the valuation right now, lah. Yeah. And of course, before I go to the valuation, hey guys, how do you think for this round's video here? Do you learn something? All right. Besides getting Palantir's update, as usual, sometimes we talk about investing strategies. We slowly educate you guys, and make you be a better investor. Yeah. So if you like this kind of content, you feel that there is a lot of value here, again, please continue to subscribe, because as you know, we keep on sharing a lot of videos like this. Yeah. So the next one, another reason for you guys to subscribe is, hey, as you all know, CrowdStrike's upcoming results is coming already. They are Q3 2025. Okay, and as usual, the team will be posting our sharings like in our channel. So do remember to subscribe and on the notification bell so that you won't miss out. Okay, so let's go to the valuation. As you all know, the valuation right now is really very sky high at 55 times price to sales. Okay, for a company that's currently just started accelerating, yes, despite with the potential, I think the market is really went ahead of themselves already. This is my own personal opinion. All right. And the price is currently being supported by market sentiment. Okay, not really by fundamentals currently. Okay. So, but nonetheless, guys, now, because the average price to sales multiple is around 20 times. Okay, this is the one that we calculated. But I feel, okay, Palantir right now, okay, their situation, their status is really different than a year ago already. We cannot see Palantir right now, okay, versus Palantir 1 year ago. They really changed. Why? Because currently you can see their revenue has been growing, re-accelerating to 30% already. Net dollar retention accelerated to 118%. Their go-to-market strategy has evolved. That's why they can continue to close so many customers already. AIP product is in high demand. They are profitable now compared to the 1 year ago. Have operating leverage, now added into S&P 500 also. And it has also confirmed to me that they have a monopoly status. They have a very, very strong moat. And currently in the government side, they are the only software prime. All right. And of course, their future growth from the government projects here. Okay, and they are the AI software beneficiary. And hey, a bonus, okay, that who knows, okay, because now currently the Fed is lowering their interest rate. So because of this, right, the valuation currently right now, okay, at 20 times price to sales could be unfair if you continue to judge it by them. So I decided, okay, to perhaps given them a much higher price to sales right now. Okay, so because they have a very different dynamic, okay, of running their business already, it's a very different status. So I really, really stretch, okay, my view on their business. So I'm giving them a price to sales of 30, which is really very high and still very stretched. And their current revenue per share, I already shared with you just now, is currently at 1.1. So their valuation, despite my optimistic view, is currently at 33. And this is my very conservative view. Yeah. So Nonetheless, okay, I'm very, very happy with the profits with Palantir here. There's no complaints lah. All right. Okay, so let's move on right now. So as a summary, all right, before I end this video, please take note. So they have already how to say have this kind of a performance. Okay, very, very good. Okay, and then they solved their long sales cycle already with AIP Bootcamp here. Then they have already proven, okay, they have give results. So I'm very confident to say that their AI product really works already. And this quarter also told me that they are a monopoly and their AI product is really in very high demand. Yeah, I have no complaints. So at the end of the day, because of these results, because of the demand, me as a shareholder this quarter have given me the confidence that the result and demand are no longer an issue of contention. That means I'm very confident in their products already and in their ability to get new customers. Okay. So what I want to see them currently right now is they call for Palantir to scale their software in order to grow their customers. Okay. By 25 and their revenue, they'll be able to grow by 25% to 30%. They must consistently maintain that to justify their very high valuation. Okay, if let's say the revenue here drop, okay, for a moment, one quarter, there's one weakness, I tell you, the market will severely punish the stock. Okay, so again, guys, okay, a word of caution. Okay, this is just speculation on my side. Because if NVIDIA is the beneficiary of AI hardware, Palantir could be the beneficiary of AI software. Yeah, so we need to continue to monitor and let's see how they perform for the next few quarters. Okay, so at the end of this video here, everything is doing very well at Palantir. They can now continue to grow 25 at 30%. I have no complaints for this quarter. Okay, let's celebrate with the high share price increase. So the only issue for me is, and as a cautionary statement for you guys, just be careful of their sky high valuation. All right. So again, guys, thanks for watching here. I hope I give a lot of value with you guys, on this video. So do remember to subscribe, because upcoming, I'll be sharing about CrowdStrike and also other future videos. Okay, again, guys, thanks for watching. Okay.